Hi guys, what's up? So I did this whole look in like 30 minutes. So I really did my makeup really fast because I'm not a makeup artist by nature. I'm just a person who likes makeup and knows how to do it on my face. So when I'm walking you through this tutorial, you're gonna be like, Ruma, what are you doing? That's wrong. But that's okay, as long as you get the end goal, that's all that matters. So Makiage, this company, has sent me tons of products, and bro, am I in love. So you know that I will not talk about things I do not like. So I fell in love with like the colors of the things. Like if you can see my eyes right now, it's kind of like a sultry, smoldering look. And I use these 4 colors along with this really pretty like cherry highlighter. Yeah, it's called cherry highlighter dust, but look how pretty this is. Ooh, that's the top coat on my eye, but along with that palette. And I really love deep tones, warm tones, so on my lip I used a mix of the coffee and the lip gloss. It's called Toffee. Coffee and Toffee. I used a little bit of a red, but it didn't really go with this look. I don't know what I was thinking. I really wasn't thinking. It's called Crimson, but it's a really pretty color. Kind of has like the toffee on it because I put the lip gloss on first. But it's such a pretty color, but it didn't go with this sultry look, so I was like, you know what, let me tone it down a little bit. Like I said, at the end, it's all about the end goal and how you look. My hair is kind of like a 70s vibe right now, so yeah, so I just wanted to go over these products because they are kind of bomb.com, but let's just get into the makeup tutorial, huh? If you make fun of me throughout the makeup tutorial, it's cool, but I'm a little sensitive, okay? So let's just get into it, huh?